Another day, another story. Hello, welcome to today's book summary. In this video, I'm going to summarize Mel Robbins' The 5-Second Rule. The 5 Seconds Rule book by Mel Robbins deals with challenging approaches to self-development and success. The book introduces the concept of the law of 5 seconds. It's a principle that when we have to take action to reach an idea or goal, we start that action in 5 seconds. The contents of the book are largely composed of 3 themes. First, we understand why we delay an action, and the negative effects it has. Second, learn how to use the law of 5 seconds to create momentum and motivate yourself. Finally, we describe how we can actually apply these principles to form new habits and achieve our goals. Mel Robbins communicates the insights and theoretical concepts gained from her experience in a practical and persuasive way. This book provides readers with practical advice and motivational strategies for challenges and changes in the area of self-development. You can learn to make positive changes by taking action in a short time of 5 seconds.